daughter's traditional wedding.
Your Highness, what happened?
All is not well. Oh no, you know you are somebody I will not hide anything from. It is my daughter, Adana.
The princess, what has she done?
She said she's in love with another man. Imagine.
What brought about that?
Prince Ikenga impregnated another woman. And she heard about it and insisted she will never marry him again.
Why could the prince do such a thing?
It's a long story. But the long and short of it is that I have settled this with my good friend, Delta. Okay. But she refused to agree to that settlement. Just yesterday, she told us she's in love with another man. You see?
Well, she told you who the young man is.
She refused to talk.
In that case, Your Highness, the first thing for us to do is to know who the young man is. And I suggest you detail the whole guards to monitor her movement from now on. Immediately we identify the young man. We mandate him to leave the princess alone. That's my suggestion.
I think I like your suggestion. I will do exactly that.
Ojuku. Come and sit down.
I went to the palace, and the Igwe told me something that gave me great concern.
What happened?
It's a top secret, too. You might not say it. Don't say it to anybody.
Don't you know your son again? I am very good in keeping secrets.
Okay. Princess Adana is no more interested in marrying the Prince of Umuago, Ikenga.
Why?
I told you this is a top secret. If you know you cannot keep it to yourself, let me keep it to myself.
No, but I will keep it a secret.
They said another lady is pregnant for the prince.
Hey!
What do you want? Hey, go down, sit down. Bring your voice down.
I'm sorry.
I told you it is a secret.
I'm sorry.
Eh?
What happened?
Because another lady is pregnant for the prince, Adana said he's no more going to marry the prince. That even she has seen another lover that will marry her.
Okay. But, Papa, did Princess Adana, did she disclose or explain the person she's in love with, the man she's in love with?
Unfortunately, she refused to, mention the person's name. Nobody is aware of the person now. But promise me, you will not tell it to another party. Right?
I promise, Papa.
I have sent for the guard that drove her. Good. Were you the guard that went out with my daughter?
Yes, Your Highness.
Where did you people go to?
She asked me to take her to the old primary school. That was where we went to.
Old primary school. Was anyone waiting for her there?
We got there before him.
Who is he?
Honorable's son.
You mean Ojukwu?
Yes, he's the one, my queen.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, Your Highness.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God spoke.
Greetings, Nna Yono.
You are welcome, my son.
His Majesty the King wants you at the palace immediately.
Immediately.
Yes, Nna Yono. He said you should come with me.
Did anything happen?
I do not know, Nna Yono.
Okay. Let me dress up.
Okay.
I'll go with you.
All right. Nna Yono, you can sit. All right. Let me come back here.
It's an indication that something is wrong somewhere. Oh, Mama 11 was the lab. Yes.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension.
Nna Yono is coming.
God dispose. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds.
Something came up yesterday and I sent for you. Oh no, all is not well. Your son, Ojukwu, is dating my daughter.
My son. Igwe, there must be a mistake somewhere.
Oh no. The guards I detailed to monitor my daughter's movement identified Ojukwu, your son, as the one she said she's in love with.
Princess?
No. I sent for you to beg you to please talk to your son. My daughter is engaged to the Prince of Umuago because of the long-standing relationship I have with their king. Therefore, do not do anything that will jeopardize that relationship. Better advise him.
Your Highness, I'll talk to my son. I'll talk to him.
Better talk to him, or he will face my wrath. And it will be too disastrous for him.
I'll know what you said. Hey! Don't talk now. I'll do that.
Better.
I don't know, what are you trying to do?
You know, initially I thought you were joking. But right now I've seen how serious you are about this thing.
You're right, I am serious. I will not marry Ikenga. And if you think I never loved a man even before I left for my studies, that should compensate for something, don't you think? Ojukwu is the only man that I love. Get it?
On a long journey, even a straw, a light straw, is heavy. Please, whatever you do, consider the relationship our father shares with his father. That old, royal, sacred relationship. Think about what your actions will do to it.
Well, my life and my happiness is way more important than this relationship you just made reference to. Don't you think?
I don't know, don't say that. Ikenga is the right man for you.
He is not. Did you hear me when I said I never loved him? I merely carried along with the entire arrangement with the hopes that eventually I would fall in love with him. Oh, but look what happened. While I was on my way to loving him, he betrayed me and got another girl pregnant.
That pregnancy issue has been sorted out.
Really? If by sorted you mean the arrangement for the girl to have an abortion, I'd say bravo.
Adana, listen. Second thoughts are always the best. I'll advise you to think twice. You and I know that father will never, ever let you to marry that boy.
We'll see.
Facts are stubborn things. That is a fact.
Ojukwu. Alanga keno. Ojukwu.
Papa.
Bianga. Come here.
I thought you went to the palace.
Yes. I want to ask you one question. Is it true that you are dating the princess? Huh?
Papa, was that why Dikeh summoned you?
That's not my question. Is it true that you are dating Princess Adana? That's my question. Ojukwu.
Yes, Papa.
You are playing with fire. There are many beautiful ladies in this kingdom. Why the princess?
Papa, I'm surprised. I'm surprised you're not happy your son is dating the princess of this kingdom. Papa, you should be proud of me now. You should be proud of me.
Shut up! How can I be proud of you when you want to play with your life? For your information, Princess Adana is engaged to the Prince of Umuagu.
That's not true, Papa. Papa, I was already in love with Princess Adana before that emergency engagement with Prince Ikenga, the Prince of Umuagu Kingdom. But no, nothing is going to happen. Nothing will happen. I will marry Princess Adana and bring royalty to this family.
I don't need that royalty. I don't need it. Adana is another man's wife. And I will not come out when the problem comes out. I don't need that because royalty costs. Be careful with yourself, oh. I've warned you, those I did not tell you.
Understand what? I don't know, what do you want me to understand? Do you know the shame you are about to bring to this family?
I do not love him.
Oh, you are talking about love. But we are talking about the good relationship your father has with Igudenta. We will not allow you to drag your father's dignity to the dust.
If it's about the scholarship, we can pay the man back.
And what are you paying back for, Madam? What is it?
Your Highness, we have to do something before this girl brings shame to this family.
Look, I rather disown her than for her to bring shame to this kingdom. This is the last time I'm going to talk about this issue in this house.
Please excuse me, Dad, Mom.
Talk to your daughter.
I don't know what is really wrong with my daughter. I don't know.
Talk to her. Talk sense into her before it's too late.
Love conquers all. Hold on to it.
My prince, you're welcome.
Oh no, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. You're welcome. Let me bring seat.
Oh no, I'm not here to sit down. Courtesy costs nothing. I'm aware you know the disaster your son is about to bring to this family. I urge you, warn your son. Let him stay off the princess. She's not his class.
My prince, I've tried what I can do to talk to my son. But all in vain. Please.
Oh no, talk to your son. You stay away from the princess. From today henceforth, light and darkness are nothing.
Ugonna, you are too small for this. Why are you supporting a forced marriage? Why?
What is a forced marriage? Adana is properly and traditionally engaged to Prince King. What is a forced marriage?
Ugonna, you're lying. Ugonna, you know it deep down your heart that you are lying. I was first in love with Princess Adana before the so-called engagement. Go home. Go home to your sister. She should be in the best position to explain to you, to tell you the truth.
You're a fool. You're a criminal who wants to reap where he did not sow. Beggars must never be choosers. Stay off your sister. I've warned you today, and I won't warn you again. Light and darkness have nothing in common. Hasty climbers have sudden falls.
Ojuku! 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 Papa? How many times did I call you now? Did you know what I am to model less Oju Alala? Ojuku, come in here. Ojuku, come here. Be careful. You better go inside. Every time. Listen.
So this is how Princess Adana decided to pay back for all the things your father did for her. Hi, I am so disappointed in that girl. I thought she's responsible. Huh?
Mother, I have this feeling that Adana is under a spell. I have this belief that that young man must have charmed her. And that is why I'd rather take this fight to Yoruba Kingdom and deal with that man. Deal with that boy. Deal with that hooligan. Deal with him. That stupid boy. Since no one wants to deal with him, I'll go there and deal with him.
No. Don't do anything yet.
Iguarono has promised your father that the situation will be put under control. So don't do anything yet. Let them finish first.
And how did they intend to do it?
Nobody knows, but
How?
I know they will handle
Mother,
it.
the Adana that I know was a very stubborn child. Very, very stubborn.
Oledo, what's the meaning of that?
I'm laughing, Mom.
You're laughing. Ah.
Ola, as you can see, we're having a very serious discussion before you interrupt it.
Yes.
Serious discussion indeed. So Adana has finally disappointed us after all the scholarship award. Is it not funny?
Will you stop that rubbish? Stop it for once. This is not the time for that. Oledo, please leave us. Just leave here now. Leave us alone. Get out. I said leave!
So sorry, Mom.
Oledo, stop it.
So my effort to stop Ojukwu and the princess from getting married has proven abortive. Adana is hell-bent on marrying him. My plan is to frustrate them, but the reverse is the case. What is happening?
Jane, you are still standing here. See, if you would listen, no, I will advise you to let go of this before you put yourself into trouble. Allow Ojukwu and the princess to be. You will not listen now.
What is the problem?
Gloria, mind your business.
Why is it that anytime I get two of them talking together and they see me, they will just stop talking? I think something is fishy and I must find out. In this palace, I will find out.
For you.
Yes, I did. I want you to do something for me right now. Okay. But you have to be very careful. Take this box. Take it to my car. Put it in the boat. Make sure no one sees you.
Trust me, my princess.
Be careful.
Okay.
morning. Is everything all right?
No problem. I can see you are going out.
Oh yes, I am. I'm going out.
Without your maiden or your guard?
Well, I feel like going out alone today.
I see. So, where are you going?
I'm going to Umaga Kingdom to reconcile with the kingdom.
Beautiful smartness. Can I see what you have in your boot?
What?
What you have in your boot?
Listen, you have to go back. Our plan has been forward. I'll talk to you later.
Keep the bag and leave.
Yes, ma'am.
I will talk to you when you are in your right mood.
How did she find out? Does it mean that God spilled on me?
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds. Oh, Bonemi Echigabo.
Ojuku, where are you coming from? And what are you carrying? I'm asking you. Ojuku, where are you coming from?
Princess.
What did you tell me?
I'm sorry, my princess.
What did you tell her? That's the question.
I didn't know she saw me through the window last night when I was putting the box into your car.
What did you tell her? That's the question.
Did I put the box inside your boot? That's all, my princess.
What did you tell me?
I'm sorry, my princess.
My fault. You want something done and done properly, you do it yourself, Adana.
Adana. So, you decided to elope with a man. I am disappointed in you. I am ashamed to be called your own father.
I'm so ashamed of you.
She would have succeeded if not for your mother's timely intervention. What a nonsense.
I don't know what Ojuku gave to my daughter, that makes her misbehave like this? I don't know.
Now, let me declare. Adanna ceases to be my own daughter if she doesn't reconcile with Ikenga and then put off that bad rubbish called Ojuku. And you have only this week. This week! I said this week to do that, or else. Nonsense.
You heard your father. I will also disown you if you fail to do as he said.
Go ahead, Mom. Disown me. I sincerely do not care. It's not like it's the first time you are saying it.
What has come over you, Adanna?
What do you mean, what has come over me?
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Are you under a spell? Listen, you are royalty. Light and darkness has nothing in common. I think this has gotten out of hand. It's high time I did something about it. I will definitely take a drastic measure. What is this? Oh no, where is Ojuku?
Prince, you are welcome.
Where is Ojuku?
He's around. All right, Ojuku! Bia. Ojuku, Bia. Papa. I want to know.
Ugonna! Ojuku, you have beaten more than you can chew. Leave this place. You have beaten more than you can chew.
Leave this place now.
Very stupid.
Me.
Very stupid.
Papa, ask him to leave this compound now.
Calm down. Listen, I have come here to give you last warning. Stay clear of my sister. I will not warn you again.
Come on.
If I see you close to my sister again, you will go in for it.
What will happen? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Do you think I'm afraid of you?
Ojuku, the prince of the land.
Prince my food, Papa. If it's the so-called prince without giving the right to come into my compound and insult me, you are
not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed.
Yeah.
Weak men, they talk too much. You're a weak man. That is why you decided to elope with my sister. You're not afraid. Next time, I will show you what I can do.
Gonna, Ibu Onyara, Ibu complete Onyara. I will break you into pieces.
Touch me.
Ojuku.
Try it. Hey! Touch me and watch your life slip away.
You're just an empty vessel. Gonna, you are an empty vessel that makes the
I said you are an empty bag.
You are mad.
And you can never, ever stand upright. You are nothing before royals. And you know it.
Don't dare me.
Light and darkness don't have anything whatsoever in common.
Don't dare me, Ugonna. Do not dare me, Ugonna.
Every dog has their day. Today is yours. And I will dash you for free. But next time, you will see my wrath.
Don't dare me, Ugonna. Ugonna, do not dare me. I will bring you to pieces. I will mess you up.
Stay off my sister if you don't want your life to end in a snap.
Come on. Come on, get up from here. Papa, leave me alone.
Let me ask you one thing. Is it
Ugonna,
come.
Next time you come into my compound again to say rubbish, I will bring you down there.
Give a dog a long rope and he will hang himself.
Don't dare me, Ugonna.
I will.
Don't dare me.
Show you the other side of me.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Ugonna, don't dare me.
You cannot stand to the house, the man I am.
Remove this account, I'll give it to my father.
And you know it.
I will beat you.
I warn you. And I warn you again. Don't ever come close to my sister.
What will you do?
I will.
What will you
show you the other side of
you. You are mad. You are insane.
The Prince of Umago Kingdom.
Good to see
Prince Ikega.
So nice seeing you.
Good to see you, my brother.
Hi.
Hi.
It's so good to see your beautiful face again. And thank you for forgiving me.
You're welcome.
My parents are waiting patiently for you guys, so just...
Yes, we should go inside. Your Prince of Omaku Kingdom. Prince Dikeh himself.
What I have to discuss with you is sensitive. That's why I asked that you come.
All right. I'm listening.
The reason I wanted us to elope the last time is because the pressure from my parents, especially my father, was getting overbearing. Unfortunately, we didn't succeed in eloping, and as I speak to you now, that pressure is back on and it's about to consume me. I cannot bear it anymore.
What are you trying to say?
I'm saying that I'm going back to Ikenga. I have no choice. My father is about to disown me, and it seems like the only reasonable thing to do. Please say something.
True love is hard to find, but once you find it, it never goes. Even if trouble comes, in times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers. Even if trouble comes, in times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers.
She disappointed me and made a jest of me. I wouldn't have gone there if I had known that was the reason she wanted to see me. I made a fool of myself.
Love conquers all. Hold on to it. True love.
You know, my parents are very happy for me.
Yes. I saw it on their faces.
Okay. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much for forgiving me.
What about your sister?
Oh, Ola. Ola is drunk. She's gone out. You know, she'll go out, drink, get drunk, and come back home.
You don't think she needs to see a counselor?
I wish she could, but I don't know.
I wish I could talk to her.
You know, I just want to thank you once more for forgiving me.
You're welcome.
I have learnt my lessons. I have.
I hope so.
Yes, I have. Hola.
Love birds. I can see you have settled your differences. Congratulations. As for you, Princess Adana, I can see how desperate you are to marry my brother. Desperate one like you can go extra miles to get what she wants.
Ola, will you just go inside and let us be?
I admire her guts. She's indeed a superwoman.
Ola!
Shut up! Don't you dare shout at me again.
Hi, Mom.
My beautiful baby. No.
Yes.
The most beautiful lady in Erubere Kingdom.
Here we go.
My heavenly made princess.
Mom.
Thank you. It seems you are going out.
Yes, I am. I have a date with Ikenga.
I see. I see.
I have to hurry along now. He'll be waiting for me.
It's okay. Please try and come back on time. I see. That's my baby. You have come back to your senses.
True love is hard to find, but once you find it, it never goes, even if trouble comes. In times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers. So hold on to it, never let go, never let go. True love, it's love conquers all. Hold on to it. True love, it's never let go, never let go. True love, it's love conquers all. Hold on to it. True love, it's
Hello?
love conquers all. Hold on to it.
Where are you going?
Come here, let me get something for you.
What are you going to do?
I'm up there.
Are you sure she's okay?
I can't say. I can't just say.
My princess! My princess! Hey!
Does it mean she went far like that?
Please, we have to go and search for her.
You mean we should go inside the bush and look for her?
She's supposed to be here by now. Now what are you asking me? Eh?
Let's go.
My princess!
What is the problem? Where is my daughter? Jane! Where is Adana?
My queen, we don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? You don't know what? Eh? You left here with my daughter. You came back without her, only to tell me that you don't know her whereabouts. You must be joking. See, I demand an answer right now. Where is my daughter?
My queen, we were on our way to Umagu when the princess asked me to stop, that she wanted to ease herself. I suggested we drive back to the palace, but instead she insisted that she cannot wait. Then she went into the bush to ease herself in the bush.
Look at this foolish bamboo. Are you trying to tell me that my own daughter, the princess of Erubere Kingdom, went into the bush to ease herself?
Yes.
It's in Adeze. waro fiancé. Na there's one waro fiancé.
My queen, that's the truth. Yes, we waited for her, and then we decided to go into the bush and search for her when we didn't see her. My queen, we searched everywhere. That's the truth, my queen, but...
My goodness! My goodness!
What is happening? I thought both of you went out with my daughter. What is she?
Your Highness, I don't understand these idiots. They came back here without Adanna.
Huh? Where's Adanna? Where is my daughter Adanna, the princess of this kingdom? Where is she?
Your Highness, we lost her.
You lost her? Speak up! What do you mean you lost her?
Your Highness, she told us she was pressed, that we should stop for her to ease herself. Then we stopped and she went into the bush. We waited for her, we did not see her, that's the truth. And then we went into the bush to search for her. We searched everywhere.
Hey!
Yes, and we did not find her.
My own daughter, the princess of this kingdom.
What nonsense are you blabbing?
Now, both of you, get out of this compound. Don't ever come in here without my daughter. You hear me? Get out!
Get out! Yellow pussycat!
My own daughter!
Nonsense!
The princess of this land!
Is everything all right?
Everything is not all right. Everything is not all right. You see that girl, Adana? That girl is mannerless. She has no manners, and I'm beginning to hate her for that.
I thought you said you have a date with Adana today.
Yes, we had a date.
So what's happened?
We agreed to meet somewhere. Mother, I have been waiting there for hours. I waited for this girl for hours, and she didn't show up. She didn't call. I started calling her. She wasn't picking my call. I called again, she started rejecting my call. I am sick and tired of that childish behavior that she has.
Excuse me, let me understand something here. You said Adana rejected your call?
Mama, she rejected it. She rejected my call. She doesn't know who I am. Dikeh, kept me waiting for hours.
Why would Adana do a thing like that? Why?
Never let go. Love conquers all.
Princess, what are you trying to do?
We're leaving this community, that's what I'm doing.
To where? Look, we can't run away from your father.
Well, we're running from him, and the sooner we leave, the better. Let's go. Come on, hurry.
This life is a mystery beyond comprehension.
Father, the guards are back from the search.
So where's my daughter?
They did not come back with her.
Tell them I don't want to set my eyes on them if they don't come to this compound with my daughter.
Father, they said they searched everywhere, but...
Look, tell them they should search every nook and cranny of this kingdom. They must bring my daughter. I want her back before nightfall. Go tell them.
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
What kind of problem is this? And where could Adana have gone to? Where?
Mother, I think we're missing something here. Adana left this palace to Umago to see Prince Ikenga. Maybe we should just put a call across to Prince Ikenga and find out if she's there.
Deliver your father's message first. Later we will call Umago. But I doubt if she's there. I doubt.
Dad? Mom?
Yes, you can that place. Excuse me. Come. Have a seat. Yes, I got a call from the Rubere Kingdom that the princess is missing.
What? How?
They said she went out with her maiden and suddenly she disappeared.
Just like that?
Just like that.
That's how we see it.
Mom? What is the matter?
It's the princess.
Princess?
The princess is missing.
Bad news. Ikenga's ex-girlfriend must have a hand in this.
Huh?
You think so?
Don't know.
Ikenga?
Huh?
Our people will be everywhere now searching for us. They must have known by now that I eloped with her. No one in this yard will ever believe that she's a princess.
What is the meaning of this? Up till now, my daughter's whereabouts is not yet known. She's not at Omago. So, where could she be? Where? Ugonna,
Mommy.
did you call her again?
Yes, I did. And her number is still switched off.
My goodness.
Mother, I'm suspecting something.
What could that be?
They say when you follow the river, you will find the sea. I think we'll have a prime suspect in that Onowu's son.
I don't understand you. Are you telling me that Ojukwu kidnapped my daughter?
Exactly what I mean, Mother. I know he's not happy. Ever since Adana reconciled with Prince Ikenga, it shows on his face.
Have you spoken to your father about this?
No, Mother. But I will tell him in the morning. He doesn't want to be disturbed right now. And Father, that has been my thought since night. And I'm convinced it's not far from the truth. Onowu's son knows something about Adana's disappearance.
Your Highness, I think he's right. And the police should be notified immediately before he runs away.
If really Onowu's son has a hand in this, I will deal decisively the way he never expected it.
Father, please.
Should I proceed immediately to the police station?
Yes. Go immediately and arrest him.
Igwe.
Oh no.
May you live long, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
British, my queen.
You're welcome.
Your Highness, I'm troubled. I've not seen my son Ojukwu since yesterday. That's why I came. Maybe he's around.
Your son left your house yesterday, and up to now, he's not yet back.
Yes, Your Highness. He didn't even tell me where he was going.
What time did he leave your house?
I can't exactly remember, but it was yesterday afternoon. It was in the afternoon.
My daughter also left this house yesterday, and as I'm speaking with you now, she's not yet back. I have a feeling that your son took my daughter away. I want to advise you to use every means available to you to tell your son to bring my daughter back. And he has only today to bring her back, otherwise he will face my wrath.
Oh no.
Lola.
I will advise you to do as my husband said. If your son thinks he will marry my daughter by kidnapping, then he has to think twice.
Going straight to her place. I'm going to arrest her. Uloma, you want to tell me? You want to tell me? If I find out that you have a hand in the disappearance of Adana, I will so deal with you. You don't know who you're talking with. If you deny it, if you deny knowing anything about her disappearance, then you know me. You know me, Genga. You've not seen anything yet. I'll get you arrested, lock you up. Just try it tonight. You try it. You want to tell me, Kinga?
Love is okay.
Would that be enough for you?
Come on, yes, I should be asking you that.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
I was thinking of something last night.
What were you thinking?
You know, we cannot continue to be idle like this. It's about time we delved into something productive with the little money we have. In order not to get stranded, of course. What do you think?
So, what do you suggest we do?
Nothing for now, that's why I asked you.
Okay, Princess, the money we have at hand, I believe it's way too small. I mean, it's very small. We can't start up any business with that amount of money. Okay, I'm thinking this is what we do. Okay, I observe that this keke business is thriving very, very well here. Alright, so I was thinking maybe tomorrow I'll just go around, just walk around, ask people, just to see if I can see anyone that wants to give out his keke on hire purchase.
Right. Right. Sounds good to me. Okay. And while we wait for you to find out someone, I equally noticed that, you know, it's corn season. So I'm thinking maybe I can go into corn roasting business.
Is it?
Corn roasting. I can roast corn and sell by the roadside. It's just temporary.
No, that's you want to roast corn and sell.
And peer, yeah.
And then for God's sake, you are a princess. Look, I will never allow you go into such dirty business. Never.
Who knows I am a princess over here? Listen, who will die of starvation if you begin to consider all of those things.
Look, my love, I'm not saying that we're going to remain idle, okay? It's just that it's crazy. It's mad. Allowing you stay by the roadside, roast corn, beer, to your level of education and status. No.
It will only be temporary, okay? And I don't mind. We're here for a peace of mind and happiness, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So we have that now. So let me go into the business, and I promise I'll quit when we get something better.
Promise.
I promise.
I have a feeling that your son took my daughter away. I want to advise you to use every means available to you to tell your son to bring my daughter back. And he has only today to bring her back, otherwise he will face my wrath.
Oh no. I will advise you to do as my husband said. If your son thinks he will marry my daughter by kidnapping, then he has to think twice.
Hey, is this happening to me or am I dreaming? Why must my son kidnap the princess? No, it's not true. There must be a mix-up somewhere. What if someone has kidnapped both of them? I mean my son and the princess. I don't remember that.
She packed out 3 days ago.
A neighbor of hers told me that she moved 3 days ago.
That means she ran away before she carried out her plans.
Oh, she's not going to run away.
Hello, everyone. Kenga, have you checked on Oloma?
Oh, yes. Yes, I did. I went to her place and she has moved out of that place.
Wow. She's suspect number one.
The problem there is nobody knows her whereabouts.
I know someone who can tell us where to find her.
Eh?
Her bosom friend.
Good people of this kingdom, I kept 500,000 naira in my bedroom and I cannot find it. Who must have made away with that money?
500,000 naira.
Yes, 500,000 naira.
Oh, Father, who could do a thing like that in this house?
Whoever has done that has to return that money with immediate effect. I am not going to say anything about it again.
$500,000 naira. That's a big money.
Oh no. I came to find out why my daughter is yet to be back after 5 good days of her disappearance.
Your Highness, with due respect, this question is just like someone asking me what killed my great-grandfather. I've neither seen my son nor heard from him.
Oh no. You know we've been very good friends right from our childhood. Don't do anything that will strain that relationship. Please.
Your Highness, I share the same view with you. You see, my hands are tied in this matter. I don't really know what to do or say.
Your hands are tied. Let me give you the last opportunity. If you still value that relationship.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon.
Guys, can you come on when I make him? Eh? Can you come on when I make him? Meze. Oko when I make him? You can be yata. Haven't you greeted her today? You can good morning. You can good afternoon. You can good evening. Can you good night, Hallelujah? Eze, is she the only woman in this compound? Or somewhere on a compound?
Ojuku. Kogo Sebelukwa. What is the problem?
Leave my wife alone. Stop greeting my wife, Eze.
Ha!
Stop greeting my wife. You see, you men. I am afraid of you men in this city. That is how you go about deceiving women with your charms in your mouth.
Charms?
Stay away from my wife. Yes. My lord, that is what they do. They put charms in their mouth and start deceiving women. Sleeping with women. They... Stop greeting my wife, Eze.
My friend, go and sit down, Ojuku. What type of nonsense is that?
Eze, leave my wife alone. I'm not going to warn you again. I am not going to warn you again. Get out of here. Yes, my lord, that's what they do. That's how they deceive. Go about it. You do not accept their greetings again. Please. Evil people.
Please join me.
I hope you're okay, eh?
I'm fine. But charms, really?
Yes.
You're not kidding.
My love, I am serious. They put charms in their mouth and start sleeping with all these women in this city.
No.
These evil men. I'll go with the room.
Here you go.
My love, are you sure it will be okay for you?
Yes.
Are you sure it will be enough?
Yes.
Take it.
Ola, I don't think this is where she stays.
I think there's a mistake somewhere. But don't worry, I'll call her to get the correct information.
Because the man we asked is not sounding like he even knows her.
Don't worry, I know how to get the information from her. So don't worry, I'll do that. Let's go.
Ola, I'm surprised the way you're taking this matter. I mean, the way you're taking it. I am really surprised.
Why are you sounding like this? Okay, I can withdraw if you don't want my assistance.
No, that is not what I meant. Ola, that's not what I'm trying to say. See, what I'm trying to say is this. You know, this is the first time I'm seeing you this concern about Adana's matter.
I'm just trying to help you. Okay, if you don't want my assistance, I'll just go.
Ola, calm down. Calm down.
Do not judge.
I know you. I'm not judging you. I know you do anything for your brother.
Okay.
My dear, I made a call to Igwe around.
Has the princess been found?
Found? Not at all. He said there is a young man from his kingdom who is suspected to have hand in the disappearance of the princess. I don't know. He didn't tell me who the man is. And he never said what made him a suspect. He didn't.
It means there must be a reason for that. Don't you think so?
I don't know why that girl should be kidnapped. Has she money? Huh?
It beats my imagination too.
I don't know what this world is turning into. I don't know.
How did it go? Did you find her?
No. Wrong address.
Wrong address?
Wrong address.
Yes, I'm getting tired of this whole thing.
Honestly.
We must not be tired. I made a call to Igwe Arono this morning.
What did he say? Did they find the princess?
Not at all. According to him, there is a young man in his kingdom that is suspected to have hand in the disappearance of the princess.
What is going on in this palace? What exactly is going on in this palace?
I don't understand.
I don't understand it myself. How can the princess of this land disappear into the thin air just like that?
But haven't you heard how it's being rumored that Ojukwu knows her whereabouts?
Shh. It's not true.
Talk. Why not ask Jane? It is being rumored that Ojukwu abducted the princess.
So you guys are gossiping here, eh? Well, let me tell you.
And who told you that my own Ojukwu adopted the princess? Who told you?
I heard the prince, Ugona, talking to someone on the phone about it.
Well, for your information, my Ojukwu cannot and will never adopt Adana. Do you hear me? Yes. You know why? Because he doesn't love her. It's even the princess that is forcing herself on him. He loves me. So get that.
Jane, why not stop deceiving yourself and tell Gloria that you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu? Are you not better than Princess Adana with all her level of education?
What is the problem? Well, I know that you're only jealous about me. But I don't care. Do you hear me?
Jane, where exactly is Ojukwu?
And why are you asking? I will not tell you. Yes!
So you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu? Do you know what the problem is? You're always pretending to be what you are not. Why not tell Gloria of Ojukwu's whereabouts?
And please, who says I don't know his whereabouts? Who said so?
Oh, so you know. Well, I'm going to walk straight to the king and tell him that you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu. Yes.
Please, please, please. I did not say anything. Do you hear me? Don't go and mention my name.
I'm very said enough.
But wait, Jane. Do you actually know where Ojukwu is? Do you?
Even if I know, I will not tell you. Why are you asking me? Why?
Of course she knows. You're lover now.
I don't have time for
Love
talk. You can stay and gossip. That's what you do, idiot.
Auntie know all.
Ada, good evening. Ada, it's me, Sunday. I'm greeting you. Good evening. What nonsense. Can't you respond to my greetings?
Sunday. If you like, greet her from now till tomorrow. She will not respond to you.
Why? Is there an ACC?
That one call himself boyfriend and be husband. That one. The man has spoiled her mind. He even told her that every one of us will have charm in our mind. He wants you to talk to her.
That's rubbish. That's nonsense. Is that why I'm greeting you and you refuse to answer my greetings? Eh? See, let me tell you, if you like, answer me. Oh. If you like, don't answer me. I will continue greeting you in this house. Let me tell you. Good evening, Ada. Good evening. Nonsense.
Oga, wetin dey happen now?
Oga, na wetin?
Mama, wetin dey happen now?
Wetin happen?
No be wetin me and you dey talk now. I dey go far distance like this. Now you come dey do this kind thing.
See this kind keke man o.
Which kind keke man be this one now? Baba, e be like say they give me my money o.
If you move small, you go.
Which kind nonsense is this one?
Abeg, don't give me my money, abeg, ma dey go.
This one be the only work I don do today o. Abeg. Baba, e no be the matter of work o. Na where I dey go, na im dey important to me o. Baba, abeg, no vex, give me my money. Abeg.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How much one should I put?
How much is one?
This one are 150. This one 7 something naira. Then pear is 15 naira each.
Okay, you can bring 2 corn and 5 pears.
From this side?
Yes. This is the fresh one.
They are fresh. They are all fresh. 1,000 naira. I don't have change.
Don't worry, you can keep the balance. Thank you. By the way, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Love conquers all. Hold on to it. True love. Ijifunanya. This life is a mystery beyond comprehension. When man propose, God dispose. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds. Oh, Bonemi Echigabo.
You see, each time I come here, I always wonder why a beautiful woman like you be doing this kind of dirty business. You should be doing something better than this.
Adana, who is this man?
Who is this man? What is he always doing here each time I pass here?
I don't know. He always comes here to talk nonsense.
Who is this man?
That's my husband.
Oh, so it's true you are married?
Excuse me? I'm married, didn't I?
Young man, what are you doing here? What are you always doing here? What are you looking for here? How can you agree to marry this a low-life man like this? God punish you. God punish you there for asking that stupid question. My friend, leave this place. Mr. Man, did you even know who you are talking with? I don't care. I don't care to know who I'm talking to. My friend, leave this place. I wonder why you agree to marry this useless man who cannot even take a very good care of you. God punish you there. God punish you there.
I take exceptions to that.
You want to take care of my wife for me, Abi? Look at this useless man. See, in fact, you don't even have a future. Look, I wonder why a beautiful woman like this will even agree to marry in the first place.
Okay, please leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave and never come back.
It's because of you I'm leaving this man. Foolish man. My friend, come on, get out of this place now. I'll lose on. I'll break your glass. Come on. Foolish man. Go punish you there. You want to come and snatch my wife?
True love is hard to find, but once you find it, it never goes, even if trouble comes. In times of hardship, it's there to fight it
Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Hey. Keep your greetings to yourself. Look at this man, though. So my keke has turned your own.
No.
My keke is now your own. Hey. You are a very wicked man.
No, Oga.
Give me my key. I am tired of your lousy attitude. Give me this key.
Oga, please, now, please, Please, it doesn't go to...
Don't touch me now.
Oga, look, I've started rendering my account to you. I've started rendering my account to you.
How many months have you rendered? 2 months. 2 in 6 months. I am tired. I cannot take this anymore now. Give me this key.
Take it easy. Take it easy. What's the problem?
The problem is that this man, your husband, is a wayo man. Corny man. You hear me? Give me this key. Let me get out of this place.
Oga.
Give me this key. Let me get out of this place.
This is higher purchase business. This is higher purchase business.
Business man. Well, I am no longer interested. Not anymore. No. So can you give me the key now? No. I said business terminated.
Oga, please. Give my husband more time. He'll pay you.
I have given this man more than enough time. He has been driving this keke for 6 months. And he has only rendered 4... what am I even saying? Am I stupid? 2 months account. 2 months. 2 months. Give me this key. Okay, take it. Take it easy. Oh, you have muscle. Okay, take it easy now. You have muscle. You balance me 2 months. I balance me 2 months. Okay, balance me 2 months. Balance me 2 months. Okay. Balance me 2 months. I'll give you. Okay. It's not my muscle. It's not. Okay. Give me 1. Balance me 2 months. Okay, balance me 2 months. Balance me 2 months. You give me before I carry it. Okay, you give me before I carry it. You give me before I carry it.
Your Highness, Olu is here to see you. Ask him to come upstairs. Okay, Highness.
Greeting, Your Highness.
Oh no, he will down.
Oh, thank you.
Oh no, it's been almost 6 months since my daughter got missing. I was waiting for you to do something. No report. 6 good months.
Well, this situation is beyond my control. Up to this moment, I've not heard from my son Ojuku. I don't even know if he's still alive.
I am not talking about your son. I am talking about my daughter, the princess of this kingdom.
Your Highness, with due respect, nobody is certain about what happened to the princess. My son is being accused because he was found missing the same day the princess disappeared.
Oh no. Oh no.
Your Highness.
I did not invite you here to argue with you. I want to give you my final decision. And that decision is, henceforth, I have relieved you of your position as the Onowu in this kingdom.
You are more.
You are no more. You are no more the Onowu. I will communicate this and make it official during our next cabinet meeting. You are no more the Onowu of this Erubere kingdom.
You are talking to me.
Good day, my prince.
Ego.
Yes, my queen.
Please leave us.
Okay, my queen.
Madam, I am going to Erubere Kingdom to know what the problem is.
What exactly are you going to Erubere Kingdom to do that Adana's parents cannot do?
I was told that I was suspect and they have failed to arrest him. So I want to go there and pick up from where they stopped.
Yes, the suspect in question is the son of Onowu of Erubere Kingdom.
You know whose son?
Yes. Your father said he spoke with Adana's father yesterday. and he told him that the said Ono of Erubere Kingdom has been stripped of his duty because of his inability to provide his
No,
son.
it shouldn't just end there. They shouldn't just end it there. No, it's not possible. That man should provide his son. Even if they have to get information from him through duress, then let them do it. They have been handling that man with soft hands. He should tell us the whereabouts of his son. And not just holding him, handling him softly like that.
Everything will be handled soon. It's a gradual process. Your Highness.
Mother and child, did any of you enter my room in my absence?
Your Highness, but I was there with you when you were preparing for the cabinet meeting.
Dad, you know I've never gone into your room in your absence.
Yeah. Your Highness, what happened?
Someone made away with my 100,000 naira.
Again?
Yes, again.
We need to find who this person is.
Yes.
We need to devise another means to know who this person really is.
Know exactly who the person is. Yes.
Where is Olado?
I saw her driving out, though she didn't tell me where she was going to. But I saw her when she drove out.
Tell her to see me as soon as she comes back.
We need to find out who this person is.
I should be asking you, you know.
It's getting out of hand.
My friends, I brought some apples for you.
Really?
Yes. You will like them.
Thank you. Thank you. You can drop them there.
Okay. Okay, should I get a knife for you?
Yes. Have you washed them?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
The knife then.
Very smart. Indeed, I admire your seductive prowess.
I don't understand what you mean. What are you saying?
You know, I've been watching you lately, and I have observed that you're having hot pants for Prince Ugona, simply because Ojuku is no longer around, right?
Oh, wait. Is this why you follow me about? You don't have any job. You're now a monitoring spirit, right? You monitor me in this palace. Uju?
You are very smart. I was actually wondering who you are buying those apples for. Now I know.
Please, I don't have your time. Do you hear me?
Jane, you must be mistaken if you think I will let you have him.
Wait, what did you just say? Wait, you're interested too? Hey!
I'm here, Father.
Yes. Olado, where have you been all day?
I visited my former classmates.
That's all right. I am looking for my 100,000 naira that I kept in my bedroom. you have access to it?
Excuse me, Father. Are you accusing me of stealing your money?
I have not said so, my dear daughter. I have not.
But that was exactly what you said. Oledo.
Ola, mind how you talk to our father.
Spare me that rubbish.
What?
I know this is all your plan. You are framing me up, right?
Very stupid.
You are an idiot.
I said you're stupid!
You are stupid!
Hey! Will you stop this? You do what? Stop
this!
Stop!
Again, please.
Can you hear me?
Stop it again.
Stop!
Oledo, what has come over you?
Come here. Stop it! What is wrong with both of you?
Ikenga, please. Please, just...
You.
Please.
Okay. Oledo.
Oledo.
You have the guts to open that your dirty mouth on your elder brother?
I'm sorry, Father. Ikenga is pissing me off in this house.
You're very...
You do what? I said I will blow you.
Be very careful. Come on. Be careful!
How can you talk to your elder brother in such a manner?
What?
Something wrong with you?
Anyway, Oledo, if you are done ranting, will you now answer my question? Did you take my money or not?
I did not. Oledo, come back here. Hey. Please, Your Highness. Calm down, okay?
Ola, I just didn't like the way you spoke to Dad last night.
Spare me that trash and leave me alone.
Ola, I will not have you insult me or back at me this morning.
Ikenga do not have your strength this morning.
You do not have my strength. And I won't have you insult me this morning. Is that clear?
You only have strength when it comes to my matter. But another man eloped with your girlfriend, I couldn't do anything about it.
Ola, I will shock you. Ola, I will give you the shock of your life. Because I am not that weak.
I said you are weak. Yes, you are weak. I've discovered why Adana hates you so much. You are not man enough and you couldn't perform well in bed.
Just mind what you say to me. I will not have you insult me or talk to me the way you do. Okay? Watch your words before you speak. Ola, is that clear?
Leave me alone.
Is that clear?
Leave me alone.
Ola! Ola, come back here.
Who is it?
It's me, Jane.
Come in. So, what do you want?
You sent for me, my prince.
Did I?
Yes, you did. You said I should come and see you.
I'm sorry. I don't think I did that.
Maybe you misunderstood me.
No.
Oh, wait.
Oh, my prince, no.
Wait. What do you want?
I want you. I would like
Oh,
you.
wait. That's it.
No, please.
Wait. Now leave.
Please don't drive
I want
me
you to
away.
leave now.
No, please.
Wait!
Oh,
Leave
I love
my
you.
room.
I love you, please. Don't drive me away, please. I love you. Please.
Please go. Leave my room now. I said go!
You were spotted entering my son's bedroom today. True or false?
My queen, is true.
What did you go there to do?
My queen, he sent for me.
To do what? I'm asking you, why was he calling you?
To do something for him, my queen.
And what was that? Do not lie to me. Because if you do, you will not like my actions.
My queen, I'm not lying. He wanted me to wash his clothes for him.
Let this be the last time I will see you in my son's bedroom. I hope I made myself clear.
Yes, my queen.
Get out.
She thinks I did not see her.
But wait, why did you have to report her to the queen?
Why? Excuse me? Uju thinks she's smarter than everybody in this palace. And that's absolutely right.
No matter what, it hasn't gotten to that extent.
I don't care. Let her go and explain to the queen what she was busy doing in Prince Ugona's room.
Oh. So, you are the one.
Yes. What were you doing in Prince Ugona's bedroom? Or you think I did not see you?
So now you want to study me in a palace out here? You are the one poke-nosing me, right?
You can say whatever you want to say. I don't care. Just stay away from Prince Ugona.
So you actually went to his room? Eh? You sneaked him to his room.
Look at this one. Wait. Please get out of this place. Look at this one.
It's alright. Continue.
It will be alright, my dear.
Continue.
Please get out of my voice, idiot. Look at her. Hey! Anyway, it is me and Uju. Uju, it is me and you in this palace. You will see. Nonsense.
What happened? Huh?
My queen, I have now known the armed robber that has no gun in this house.
What do you mean?
This is the thief. I caught her red-handed, stealing my money from my drawer. This girl is something else in this house.
You mean Oledo was the one that has been stealing your money all this while?
Yes, it is very clear.
Oledo. So it's true that you are the one that has been stealing your father's money from his bedroom. Oledo, what have you been doing with this money?
My princess.
Oledo, what did you do with all the money you stole from your father?
she would answer.
Oledo. Hey! Oledo, I'm shocked.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds.
This temperature is very hot, eh?
Please, let's take him to the hospital.
But it's past 2 a.m. already. How do we get a mist to the
We
hospital?
have to do something, oh. We have to find a means.
Nobody has a car in this yard. Nobody has a car in this yard.
Sunday has a bike. Please ask him to come and take us to the hospital, please. Please, hurry up.
Honey, are you going to sit comfortable in the bike today,
I'll
baby?
manage. I'll
I'm
manage.
coming. Hey, come on. Hey, Sunday!
Please, hurry up. Hurry up. Sorry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Oh, where are you now?
This one's here are fresh. So is this one.
How much is this one?
150.
What do you think naira? What of this one? You know Chuku.
Sunday. I don't have the money yet. I will make the money now and I will give you.
But your husband said I should come here and collect the money.
Sunday, please now. Bring down your voice. Please, I beg.
If you don't want me to shout, just give me my money, let me go.
I will give you. I just haven't made it yet. It's not been long I came out here. Please.
What is all this? I have to enter this room because of this money. And you are giving me excuses. What is all this now?
I'll give you, I promise. When I come back tonight, I'll give you.
Tonight?
Yes.
Tonight, oh?
Yes, now.
At home? Huh? Is that what I will eat? Where is your husband? What?
What is the problem? What is going on?
My money.
Your money?
Yes.
Sunday, why are you sounding as though we're quarreling? What is it?
We're quarreling, no? Oh, you don't even know that we're quarreling. Please, give me my money. No, no, go now. How much is that?
It's 1,000 naira. It's not complete. Please.
See, let me tell you. I am not going to take this thing from you. I am not going to take this thing from you. You better make sure you give me back my money. Oh, wait. Let me even ask you. Is it a crime that I took your wife to that hospital that night?
Sunday, it is not a crime. Please, it is not a crime. But I don't like the manner with which you're going about this issue. I don't like it.
Oh. Now it's not an issue. Hey! Now my money. Egom, I need my money now. Oh, you don't want to give me my money again? You don't want to balance me my money? Oh, you think that this 1,000 naira is my... Let me even ask you. Is it by selling corn and roasted pear that you used to feed yourself? No wonder the caterer can always come here to disturb you.
Hey, Sunday, don't insult me. Don't insult me because of 1,500 naira.
If I insult you, what will you do? If I insult you now, what will you do?
Look at yourself. You cannot even feed yourself. You are saying because of 1,500 naira. Do you know what is 1,500 naira? Eh? You just sit with your, both of you will just sit here, roast corn and roast beer, and you think you can use that one to pay house rent. And you are telling me to calm down. See, let me tell you. Why would I even insult you? Why would I insult both of you? That you sit down here, you roast corn, you roast beer. Will you use that kind of money to pay your house rent? Will you use corn and beer to pay your house rent in this compound? You said I should not insult you. Let me tell you, if I don't get that money today, my remaining 500 naira, I will make sure that this house get up for both of us. What is it now? Look at all that. You can't even feed your child. You can't even feed him. If you don't give me that 500 naira, I'm not going to live here. Cool down, let me go and buy good food now. Very good food now. See, let me tell you, if you don't give me, in fact, I need my money, my guy.
Sunday, what is this now?
Don't. Hey, don't call my name. Give me my money, my guy. Now I'm going to forget about. Give me my money.
Sunday.
Give me my money now.
Sunday.
What is it?
Sunday.
Huh? Ojuku, one benta. Give me my money. Nah, give me my money.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No.
Dana, you're back. What? Where is the bag of corn you bought? What happened? Why? Talk to me. What happened? Why are you crying?
Our boss was robbed.
What?
On my way to the market.
Your boss was robbed.
They took everything. They took all the money and my phone.
God, why? Why? How could you allow this happen? How? All the money we ever worked for vanish into thin air just like that. God, why? Why? Stop crying.
Listen, I've decided that we go back.
Go back where?
Home. To our land. We cannot continue to live like this.
How do you think your father will accept you back? How?
don't know. But I'd rather die in my father's land than in this place.
My love, I appreciate your love for me, okay? I appreciate your love for me, sincerely. I mean, how you've been here suffering with me all along, not minding your status in the society. But please, I beg you, let's not go back now, not yet.
We have every reason to go back.
I'm afraid I can't face your father. I can't even face my own father. My love, please. Let's not talk about this now, please. Look, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Tomorrow morning, in fact, tomorrow I'll go and look for look for any of my friends to borrow money so that you can start up your corn business again, please. I beg you.
Adanna. Hi.
Greetings, my queen.
What do you want?
My queen, the Igwe sent me to you. The princess is back.
Is that a joke or what?
No, my queen, it's not a joke. She's back.
Adanna, my daughter. What have you done to yourself?
I'm sorry.
Whose child is this?
Mother, please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Mother.
At last, it is true that you are loved with my daughter.
Your Highness, please, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive us, Your Highness, please.
So you impregnated my daughter. You must pay dearly for what you have caused this royal family. Guards!
Father, please. Please. We're sorry. I'm sorry. It's not even his fault. It was never his fault. It was all my idea. I am the one that suggested that we elope at the time we did.
Hey, Adanna, how? Adanna, you of all people.
Sorry.
He will pay for the embarrassment he has given our kingdom.
Please. Please forgive me. Please. Forgive me and accept me back as your daughter. Please.
Yes, please.
My son. My son here is the product of our union.
You will pay dearly for the disgrace you made to my royal family and the entire Yoruba kingdom.
Highness, please. Please, my queen.
Begging for us, please. Please. You listen to you.
Your Highness, I take the full responsibility of everything. Please forgive us.
No. No! I won't take it from you. You must bear the consequences.
Adanna, you are a bunch of disgrace. Where have we gone wrong? How have we offended you?
You have had your way, right? Uju Tweji Eko with your tattered beds. Think you've liberated yourself into your royalty, right?
True True love is hard to find, but once you find it, it never goes, even if trouble comes. In times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers.
Dad, Mom, what did she do here?
Ikenga, sit down.
Son, calm down and take a seat.
Don't tell me to calm down. Let her leave immediately.
Just sit, please.
Listen to me, son. She said that child is yours.
We had an agreement. And that agreement was for her to abort the pregnancy.
I did not. Yes.
I know her so well. I know Uloma very well. She can cook up stories to suit her claim. I mean, after how long? She's coming now to tell us this and you believe her? No, this is not true. No, this is not true.
Now Uloma said the truth. I want nothing but the truth.
My queen, I am not lying to you. I swear. Odinaka Chukwu here is the product of the pregnancy.
No,
I did not abort it.
That is not true. Father.
So, what is the motive of you coming here? When I have already told you not to step your legs into this compound. Why are you here?
With all due respect, Your Highness, I brought my child here for the family to know about him and to let Ikenga know that he must marry me. Yes, he must.
That is not possible because this child is not my child. Now get up and get out of this place. This child is not my child, it's not my son, and you cannot put that responsibility on me.
My dear, if she claims that that baby is yours, that does not mean that she is going to force you to marry her.
Yes.
Young lady.
Yes, Your Highness.
I want you to go back to your home with that child. Come back tomorrow. We are going for DNA test.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Highness. That settles it all.
Father, I'm not going anywhere.
What?
I am not going to be part of any test.
Ikenga, just calm down. We will follow this matter the way it will not bring shame to our family. Relax.
No one knows what tomorrow holds.
My brother, congratulations. You didn't tell me your ex-girlfriend is back. And I heard she came back with a male child. You're not talking? Is anything the matter?
All I do. Please. I want to be left alone.
Left alone, you said? See, I should be happy if I were you. Anyways, you are now a father. Please tell her I'll be her chief bridesmaid.
I want you to understand, Father. I am not interested. Like I earlier said, I don't have a hand in the so-called test. I don't know anything about it. I wasn't part of it.
Ikenga, you have no reason not to have interest. Because it has been confirmed that that boy is your son. And so you must marry his mother. Don't forget that she was once your girlfriend.
Father, I've said that before, but he wouldn't listen. Ikenga, please listen to your father.
Mother, I cannot. I will not. I will not. Okay, now tell me. What if Adana comes back tomorrow? What am I going to tell her? I mean, what will I explain to her? What will I tell her happened?
Oh my goodness. He's still talking about Adana. Who told you that you will see her again? What do you mean by that?
I knew it. I knew Onaido has skeleton in her cupboard. She knows the whereabouts of Adana. And that is why she's saying this.
Don't say it.
She knows the whereabouts of her. Where is she?
I came because you told me the baby's milk has finished. Don't worry, my parents are doing everything possible to bring you back.
My princess, words are not enough to thank you for all the things you have been doing for me. At times I keep asking myself why you are taking all this risk for me. I really appreciate it.
Okay, no problem.
I might not be visiting again until final arrangement is made to bring you back. You know we have to be very careful now everything is coming to an end.
Yes, I know. Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
So you planned all this? You planned all this? You know, I started suspecting you after you made that last comment concerning Adana. And that is why I followed you. That is why I followed you to this place. Now I see why you have been stealing father's money. So this is where you hid her all this while? Huh? This is where you hid her. You, go inside. Go inside, pack your things. We're all living here now. Father is going to hear everything. The whole truth. You people are going to say it there. Go inside and let's go. Now!
Ikenga, I have endured a lot because of you.
Will you just shut up? Just shoot them up. Go inside, carry your bastard child, and let's leave here now. We're all leaving. Go inside. Go inside. So you planned all this. You planned all this. You've not seen anything. Go inside. Bring that baby. Come on, let's go.
Leave it alone.
Young lady, can I get the truth from you now?
Your Highness, I have not been seeing Oledo. She didn't know I was staying there until lately.
Do you want to speak the truth or not?
You can't get leave him.
Better stay out of this.
Stay out of this before I vent my anger on you. You listen to me.
Are you ready to speak the truth and nothing but the truth? Because if you don't, I'm going to kill you right here. And I'm ready to go in for anything that comes. So are you ready to say the truth and nothing but the truth?
Okay. Your Highness, I'll say the truth. Yes.
Good. So go on.
Your Highness.
Yes, go on.
I lied to you. Yes, I lied to you. Oled was the one who asked me not to abort the baby.
Father, did you hear that?
She promised to take care of me until I put to bed. She assured me that Ikenga must not marry the princess, but me. She was the one who rented the apartment for me, and she has been the one taking care of me all this while.
What?
Hey! Oledo. So you were the enemy here? Oledo, how could you? How could you betray us? Oledo.
I am totally disappointed.
Yes, Father. Go ahead and blame me. I did it to avenge what all of you did to me. You gave up my right to a stranger and you all expected me to be happy? I'm angry with all of you. I'm very, very angry. And I will do it again.
You just shut up or you're going to pay for everything.
Come to me if you think you are mad and I will deal with you. Ole, be careful. Dare you. Ole, don't dare you. Stop. Mother, please.
Be careful.
Move. See, let me tell you. You will never marry Adana and you will never set your eyes on her again.
Did you hear that, Mother? Father, did you hear what she just said?
Please, son, what did you hear?
You said this is the second time she's making the statement. This is the second time she's making this same statement.
And I will repeat it again and again.
That is to prove that she knows the whereabouts of Adana.
I will repeat it again.
You came down. You have to accept what your father said for the sake of the child.
Oh, that decision is to accept. It is. Uloma just played on our intelligence. That's what she did.
Yes, but she's not to be blamed. Oledo is the architect of the whole problem here. But we have to accept it as the will of God.
Mom, it is not the will of God. We should stop blaming God for everything. Ola is the architect of this thing and she should be dealt with just the way she did. Don't be blaming God for everything. Everything God, the will of God, the will of God. We have to disturb him all the time.
We don't have a choice.
But we don't have to blame God.
We don't have a choice.
I just called Igwe Arono, my friend, to tell him about the latest development. And
you did what?
Please allow me to land. Let me finish my story. As I was speaking to him, he did not allow me to finish what I wanted to tell him, or why I called him. Before he came up that his daughter is back with
Adana. Yes. Adana, please. My Adana is back.
Please, can you just give me a break and let me finish my story?
Father, you don't have any other story to say than to tell me that Adana is back.
That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. Come here. Come. He needs to listen to what I have to say.
Mother, is it true that Adana is back?
Yes. Adana is back.
Mano Ojukwu Imararu. Imararu Ojukwu.
When has love become an abomination in this land?
There are many beautiful girls in this community. Why the princess?
Papa, it's the princess I love. I love the princess and she loves me too. Papa, she loves me enough to elope with me rather than that so-called Prince Ikenga.
Ifrem Meg, because of this act, I was stripped of my position as the Olowo of this community.
Papa, I have apologized to you. I've pleaded with you over that. Papa, see, don't worry. The Igwe is surely going to call you back as you know of this land.
That is to say we'll go to the palace. The Igwe must know that I was never part of this arrangement.
Okay. But, Papa, please, help me beg you when we get to the palace. Tell him to, you should allow me marry the princess, please.
You are planning for another thing. Why you've not come out of the one you committed already? Huh? Kaiden. Let's go now.
But once you find it, it never goes, even if trouble comes. In times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers. So hold on to it, never let go.
Adana, where have you been? I heard you back, so I decided to stop by.
Yes, I'm back.
And what happened to you? You totally changed.
It's a long story.
Long story. And what son is this?
Yes.
Who?
Ojukwu.
He got you pregnant? You got her pregnant? Huh? How dare you? How dare you?
Ikenga, stop it.
Huh?
Please, Ikenga.
How dare you get her pregnant? Do you know how much my father has put on her to become who she is today? Do you know?
Ikenga, will
Stop it. Stop it. Pay your father back. We'll repay you all that we have taken, all right?
Adana! Who threw that statement? Adana, please.
This animal, did he bewitch you? No, Adana, did he?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. What's the meaning of this?
You can't run away from your responsibility. Here is your wife and your son. But
your wife and your son?
But Igudenta did not tell me Ikenga has a son.
he didn't tell you because his son is shying away from his responsibility.
Will you just shut up? Please shut up!
You can slap me for all I care, but you can't deny that he is your son. Now I have had my pound of flesh.
Your son?
Yes.
His son?
Yes, his son. Your son.
Right. Right.
Okay, so it's settled then. Father, it's settled. Yeah,
What is settled?
It is settled, Father, please.
Your Highness. What is settled? Your Highness.
Please, let's Ojukwu and I be married. Mother, please, I beg you.
Please, Your Highness, please. What is happening? Please, pardon her and grant her her desire.
Yes, please.
Please, Father. What nonsense is this?
Ikenga.
Your Highness.
Nila, give me a hand. Give me a hand.
May our gods bless this union. May our ancestors bless this union.